we have a lot of young people who are really getting into this space, which is awesome, right? And I think it has to do with some of the popular people in the space making great videos are very attractive, right, wrong, or different. Um, we really want to help them get to the next level. Where would you say for them to look at? Where would you tell them to expand on? I think
Well,
becoming a wholesaler is great in a door knocker, in a just a someone that's just someone to look out there for properties and kind of get a feel of what's good or what's bad. What would you recommend this 18-year-old you? How would you get
Yeah.
restarted?
well, in my mind, well, one, wholesaling is really being regulated in.
Yes.
Oregon just passed laws, Iowa, it's illegal. Uh, Illinois,
Yep.
you need a real estate license. So to me,
Yeah.
if you're going to get in the business, the transactional side of the business, you need to get a real estate license.
Okay.
I know a lot of people don't want to get one, but you need to get one. And then because you're now going to network with people that are actually doing transactions.
Mhm.
Wholesalers, and I fund a ton of stuff that comes through wholesalers, but these are guys that are very well put together, very organized, and they have extremely large marketing budgets. By
Hmm.
that, I mean 20, 50, $100,000 a month marketing budgets.
Hmm.
And they're just doing transaction, transaction, transaction. Um, if you're just starting out and you have limited capital, the real estate license allows you to make money on transactions, or if you
Hmm.
want to wholesale, you can in areas where you need the license, you're doing it legally. But as much as anything, just the networking with other real estate people that are successful. I mean, that's how I did it, you
Yeah.
know. And I don't know why it would be any different today.
What's
To
that?
me, I can't see a tougher thing to do than to be a private individual to go out there and try to wholesale real estate.
That's
You
right.
might
And
make
how,
money, you might not, you might blow through your credit card money. Um,
yeah.
and then the other thing is, as it relates to bigger pockets is generally, in my mind, is a rental. You know, everybody's got the idea they're going to buy rental houses and retire. I mean,
Yeah.
that's just it. I need 10 rental houses and then I don't have to work anymore. Some
Right.
reason real estate attracts people that hate their jobs. And I don't want to work for the man, and I don't want to do this, and I don't want to do that. I don't think they realize, as someone who has never worked for anybody, even when I was working for the big developer in California, I was an independent contractor in 1099. When you start working for yourself, you now have to pay all your own insurances, all your own stuff.
Yep.
Um, Having that job that gives you stability, income, you need that to get loans. I mean, I still to this day, it's hard as hell for me to get mortgage loans.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's one, I have so much going on. My tax returns are 5 inches tall.
Yeah.
Nobody can understand them. Well, what's this? Why are you buying property in South Carolina when you live in Oregon?
Yeah.
And what's this about Mississippi? You know,
Yeah.
so it can make it more difficult when you're self-employed. Um, but the rental game, if people want to get into it, there's nothing wrong with buying houses, sitting on them. Pick your lane and know that it's a long-term thing. Get your properties paid for the best you can. I mean, you have the big arguments on bigger pockets, leverage versus cash. Uh, at my age, I've been through the leverage game. We have no debt. I want no debt. And
Right.
I don't care if my returns are not levered up to create these
Yeah.
spreadsheet returns. I would rather have no debt and just live my life.
Yeah.
So
Been there, done that. Right.
yeah.
Yeah.
So people starting out though, leverage is necessary. And I think in my mind, you pick your lane. And if you want to be a landlord, try to choose correctly, and just realize that it's a long game, and don't get discouraged when you realize having 5 rentals is not going to get you into retirement,
So
right?
how easy or hard is it to get your real estate license?